Welcome to another insightful episode of the 5-Minute Show, where we unpack wisdom and actionable tips to enhance your life. Today, we're delving into a topic that resonates with many overcoming insecurity. In the next few minutes, we'll explore empowering strategies to boost confidence and foster self-assurance. So, sit back, relax, and let's embark on this transformative journey together. Number 1, practice self-compassion. Develop a gentle and understanding attitude toward yourself. Embrace self-compassion by acknowledging that everyone makes mistakes and treat yourself with the same kindness you extend to others. Remember, imperfections are part of being human. Number 2, set realistic expectations. Embark on a journey of setting achievable goals and acknowledging your accomplishments, irrespective of their size. Steer clear of the pitfalls of measuring yourself against unrealistic standards, and instead concentrate on the unique path you are forging and the progress you are making. By establishing realistic expectations, you create a foundation for sustainable growth and foster a positive mindset that celebrates your individual journey. Remember, every small achievement is a step forward on your path to personal development. Number 3, cultivate self-awareness. Invest the time and effort to delve into a comprehensive understanding of both your strengths and weaknesses. Cultivating self-awareness empowers you to navigate the journey of personal growth with a nuanced perspective. This involves recognizing and acknowledging areas for improvement without subjecting yourself to harsh self-judgment. Embracing a thoughtful exploration of your qualities provides a foundation for constructive self-reflection, fostering a positive and intentional approach to enhancing various facets of your life. Number 4, surround yourself with positivity. Choose to engage with supportive and uplifting individuals. Positive influences can significantly contribute to a healthier self-perception, creating an environment that fosters growth and encouragement. Number 5, celebrate small wins. Acknowledge and celebrate your achievements regardless of their size. Recognizing and appreciating small victories, whether personal or professional, builds a sense of accomplishment and boosts your confidence over time. Number 6, challenge negative thoughts. Actively challenge and reframe negative self-talk. Replace destructive thoughts with positive and affirming statements. By consciously redirecting your mindset, you can cultivate a more optimistic and empowering internal dialogue. Number 7, focus on personal growth. Embrace a growth mindset that views challenges as opportunities for learning and development. Shift your perspective to see setbacks not as failures, but as stepping stones toward personal growth and improvement. Number 8, establish boundaries. Set clear boundaries to safeguard your well-being. Learning to say no when necessary and prioritizing your mental and emotional health creates a supportive framework for building self-confidence and reducing insecurity. Number 9, practice gratitude. Foster a consistent habit of introspection centered around the positive aspects of your life. Cultivating gratitude involves deliberately shifting your focus away from perceived deficiencies and directing it towards acknowledging the abundance that surrounds you. This intentional practice serves to nurture a profound sense of contentment and appreciation for the various elements that contribute to the richness of your existence. By regularly reflecting on and expressing gratitude for the positive facets of your life, you not only elevate your overall well-being, but also develop a heightened awareness of the interconnected threads of positivity woven into your daily experiences. Number 10, seek professional support. If insecurity significantly affects your well-being, contemplate seeking guidance from a therapist or counselor. Professional support offers valuable tools, coping strategies, and insights that can empower you on your journey to overcoming insecurity and constructing lasting confidence. Recognizing the potential impact of insecurity on your life and proactively engaging with professional assistance can pave the way for positive personal growth and a more resilient sense of self. And that wraps up another enriching episode of The 5-Minute Show. We hope you found these strategies helpful in navigating the path towards greater self-confidence. Remember, personal growth is a continuous journey, and small steps lead to significant transformations. If you enjoyed today's insights, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, stay empowered and embrace the journey to a more confident you.